Assalamu alaikum. I hope you well. Today I am showing you text video editing. So let's start this video. First of all, we should to take some background, should be black. See this video at the end, then you can understand very easily. So don't skip this video. Now I am text something wow, like wow, and change the font style. Now length is adjusting and display adjusting. Now go to the media. I have some videos. I download it from Google. You can download from here as you want your preferred videos, or you can use your own videos. Now blending this video, multiply, applying, and then crop this video. Done. Same thing, apply this another W. I'm using different video per alphabet. I am using different video. You can use one video full words, or you can use different video per alphabet. Same thing, go to the blending option, then cropping the video if you need. And now I don't need cropping this video because it's adjusting very perfectly. And one thing I want to say, if you imported 3 videos in one, then it's have some problem. I face this problem, that's why I am using 2 videos, and then I save this video, export this video, then I am opening again this video and re-edit this video. So just watching this video, then you can very easily understand. Now export this video, saving, and then back to the Kinemaster and import another news object. Then import background. Background should be black again. Now I am import this video that I already exported. See that carefully. I exported videos. This is my exported videos. Previously I edit. Now I am using third videos that I am adjusting alphabet O. Same adjusting, then go to the blending option, then cropping this video. Same thing using. And one things I want to say, if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay with me for watching more tutorials. And one things I want to say, all videos link in the description box, you can download from here. Now adjusting these videos and trim over videos. Now done it. If you want to say text video or intro videos or any types of video tutorial, I have some videos you can see on my channel. Down my